Chapter 8, Problem 28. In this particular case, when we're looking at the cell phone providers and the percentage that are looking at potentially upgrading to a new cell phone at a reduced cost, we're doing a confidence interval. Now, if you read Part A carefully, we are doing not a confidence interval for a mean. It says there's a confidence interval for the proportion. So we have to select a new tab. So we're going to go over to this tab, and you can see there's a difference. So if you're not clear as what's the difference between a mean and a proportion, I suggest you review earlier material. But you also notice that for a mean, you have sample standard deviation, sample mean, sample size, confidence level. And for the confidence interval proportion, you have sample size, so that doesn't change, number of successes, and the confidence level. So the information, the raw data is different. So in this particular case, we have a sample size of 500 subscribers. Successes are 135 said that they would upgrade, and we want a 99% confidence level. So what we have here in B15 and 16 is we have the proportion confidence interval. So we are saying that the lower limit of 0.2189, which is 21.89%, to the upper limit of 0.3211 or 32.11%, there's a 99% chance that the true proportion, not mean, the true proportion of cell phone users who would upgrade their new cell phone if there was a reduced cost. So companies like Bell, Rogers, TELUS would definitely know these numbers, so that when they're marketing for the new iPhone 12 or whatever version is out at the time you're listening to this, then that will tell them that what percentage of the customers are going to upgrade, and how much stock they need, and how aggressive they have to be with their pricing. So this is a confidence interval for a proportion. The data is different than confidence interval for a mean. So there's two ways to analyze this. Just read the question carefully. And does it say proportion or does it say mean? Or just look at the data. So in this case, for the mean, you have standard deviation, mean, sample size, and confidence interval. What you're missing is sample mean. For the proportion, you're given the sample size, the number of successes, and the confidence level. So you get different information for proportion. And if you read the question carefully, you will know that.